Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add services to your Facebook page. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first open up Facebook, then click on your profile icon on the top right, then go to Pages, then select the page. It should give you the option to switch, so just select that. Then again select your profile icon on the top right and click on your name at the top. Then you should see 3 dots near the middle on the right hand side, so select that. It should have an edit option at the top, so go on there. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you come to details, and it should have an edit option on the right hand side, so just select that. And if you scroll down, you should see add services at the bottom, so just click on there, and this will give you a range of different services you can offer, so you can click on as many as you want. You want obviously whatever suits you, and then select save, and that's how you can add services to your Facebook page. Thanks for watching.